So, nei, guarda nei sacchi, look into the big bags. Then we have ne plus la, which is nella. Nella. Guarda nella busta, look into the bag. Guarda nella busta. Why? Because busta, bag, is female and singular, so we use la. You can imagine that if you want to say look into the bags, plural, then you have to say guarda nelle buste. Okay? So we have sorry, here it's not ne, it's in, of course. In plus la, le becomes nelle. Then we still have in plus lo becomes nello. We use nello still with the same words. The 5 plus 1 exceptions, so words starting with sp, sk, sh, ny, z, and the plural words starting with vowels. So and, in plus gli is negli. Then we have su. Su plus lo becomes sullo. Still here we have we use sullo with words starting with same exceptions. For example, questo articolo è sullo scienziato. This article is on the scientist. Questo articolo è sullo scienziato. You see? Sullo. Why we use sullo? Because the word starts with s, c, sh. Then you can imagine that if you want to say questo articolo è sugli scienziati, of course we use su plus gli. Sugli. Then, if it is su plus i, becomes sui. We use sui with all the consonant, with all the words starting with consonants, other than the 5 exceptions. So, guarda sui frighi. Look on the fridge. Guarda sui tavoli. Look on the tables, look above the tables, guarda sui tavoli. Look above the tables, for example. And then if you want to say guarda sul tavolo, because it is one, look above the table, one table, is su plus il, sul. Then we have the female. Su plus la is sulla. So I put my bag on the car. Ho messo la mia borsa sulla macchina. And then I put my bag on the cars, so female plural becomes ho messo la mia borsa sulle macchine. Sulle. It's really, really good. So we have seen how to create the complex prepositions, le preposizioni articolate of di, a, da, in and su. And we have made also many examples so that you may understand also in which kind of contexts you use these preposizioni articolate in Italian. Why we didn't see con, per, fra and tra? Because if we want to use the simple preposition plus the article, we don't unite them in a unique word which becomes a preposizione articolata, a complex preposition, but we use them separately, meaning we use con and la, for example. I walk with the friend. Io cammino con l'amica. In this case we have L apostrofo, is the same. Io cammino con la macchina. I walk with the car. Io cammino con la macchina. Sorry, I'm thinking another example. Io cammino con il mio cane. I walk with my dog. Con il. I think that it is clear. Io ti ho chiamato per il mio problema. I called you for my issue. Ti ho chiamato. I called you per il mio problema. I called you for my issue. You see that in Italian we specify il mio with the article. And it's the same with all the other articles. So if you have to say per ti ho chiamato, I called you, for the friends, ti ho chiamato, female friends, I call you per le amiche, an example. And tra e fra is the same. My bag is between the chairs. La mia borsa, my bag, is tra le sedie, between the chairs. Here, tra le sedie could be between two chairs or among many chairs. We don't know, because this is our language, so we don't. When we created the language, we didn't think we didn't feel the need to specify, you know. So it's like this. You have to use tra. Here we could just use also la mia borsa è fra le sedie. Is the same, tra e fra. La mia borsa è tra gli alberi. My bag is among the trees. Why? I don't know, but you see, fra and gli. Two words, two separated words, they are not together. So guys, we have arrived at the end of this lesson. You can see that for some aspects, Italian language could be really complex, but don't worry, because with a bit of patience you can learn it. Just remember all the preposizioni articolate for di, a, da, in and su, and for con, per, tra e fra you have just to use the preposizioni semplici, the simple preposition, plus space, plus the article that you need according the word that you want to introduce. Thank you so much for your attention, guys. Bye.